sleep. Get ready, legs apart, palm upward, sky face. Make your whole body still. Now, this is a Savasana, dead body posture. You can only imagine, visualize, and breathe in and out. Listen to the sound, the farthest sound, soft sound. Rotate your consciousness with different sounds. Feel comfortable, and slowly come to the nearest sound. That means your own respiration, own breathing. You're inhaling fresh air, positivity. Deeply exhale. While exhaling, you're exhaling negativity, chaos, worries, tension. All are going throughout your mind, throughout your body. With each and every inhalation and exhalation, you're getting more relaxed, more relaxed, more relaxed. So, slowly bring your awareness to the right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the palm, wrist, elbow, arms, right shoulder blade, at waist, thigh, knee, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, right leg's big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth. Whole right side getting relaxed, more relaxed, totally relaxed. Bring your awareness to the left hand, left shoulder blade, left side, left waist, left leg's thigh, knee, kneecap, shin bone, calf muscle, whole left side getting relaxed, more relaxed, totally relaxed. Now, your right side is relaxed, left side is relaxed. Bring your awareness to the back of the head, back of the neck, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade. right lower back, left lower back, right buttock, left buttock, whole back side getting relaxed, more relaxed, 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 relaxed. Bring your awareness to the fun side. Forehead is relaxed. Tip of the nose relaxed. Right nostril relaxed. Left nostril relaxed. Upper lip relaxed. Lower lips relaxed. Chin, chest, navel part, genital organs. Whole side relax. Now you are totally relaxed. You're in the jungle. You lie down on a green grass. Observe the sky, green sky. Listen to the chirping birds. You're in the jungle. You're feeling better. Natural music making you rejuvenate. Listen to the sound. Feel more comfortable, more comfortable. Whole body relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Now you're feeling little bit cold. Air touches you and your body getting cold. You're freezing. Slowly whole your body freezing. You're shivering. Now slowly sun rises and sun rays touches your body. You're becoming more relaxed, more relaxed, more relaxed. Your whole body getting warm. Now your body getting heavier. Whole body getting heavier, heavier, heavier. You cannot move your body. You cannot even move your finger also. A light comes from the sky, slowly enters from your forehead and removes all unnecessary chaos, worries, negativity and regenerates degenerated cell and removes all negativity going throughout your mind in the form of black air, black smoke. From your both ear, black smoke going out. Slowly that light goes down, scans your vital organs, heart, liver, lungs, all are working properly, getting better, better. Now that light slowly goes down, scans kidney, both kidney are working properly. Now your whole body getting more relaxed, more relaxed, more relaxed. And your body is totally light. You can fly above, and you can now fly. Your body is flying, floating. From above, look at your body. Your whole body, observe your whole body lying down. Slowly you are entering on your body, in your body, in your mind. Let's count from 9 to 1, reverse. Remember that you cannot forget the count. Let's begin from 9. Inhale, exhale, 9. Inhale, exhale, 8. But you should not make a sound, just mentally count. Inhale, exhale, 7. With each and every count, every inhalation and exhalation, you are getting more powerful, your body becoming more powerful, your whole body getting rejuvenating you. Slowly, mentally count. But remember, if you forget counting, then again start from 9. Based on your time and space, you can count from 100 to 1, 50 to 1, 20 to 1, 10 to 1. That depends. This is a technique to make you relax, and if you're suffering from sleep disorder, then you can practice this technique. So, you're getting relaxed, more relaxed, more relaxed. Feel more comfortable, both legs and whole body. You're totally new body. By practicing yoga, you're getting rejuvenated and new body. Now, slowly, we are ending our session due to time limitation. So slowly, you're entering in your body. Let's chant 3 round Om. Last round, deeply inhale. Slowly remove all unnecessary things and remove all chaos, worries. Move your butt, big toes, palm, head right side, left side. Bring your both hand above the head and stretch, interlock your finger and stretch your whole body. Okay, stretch and slowly Bring your both hand down, bend the right leg, and slowly twist left, and come to the sitting posture. Slowly